Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Monday, April 30th. And as we get ready to turn the month of May this week, we're going to see very summer-like conditions with 70s all week. Tuesday and Wednesday, we can see temperatures around 80, maybe even the low 80s if we see enough sunshine. And then we're going to see some midweek thunderstorms that could produce some heavy rain, maybe some severe weather right now, especially as we get into Wednesday through early Friday, with Thursday being kind of the bullseye area, I think, for the chance of severe storms and heavy rain. We could see amounts around 1.2 to 1.6 inches. I'll issue a final forecast on that tomorrow morning, and we'll track that all week long. If we look at the webcam from over the weekend, Friday night into Saturday, we saw some showers into the area, but then we seen a pretty nice afternoon, Saturday afternoon, right on through Sunday. We had lots of sunshine grace the area. If we look at conditions yesterday, we had a high of 60.9, a low of 28.6, so very, very widespread in temperatures. And our normal high is 63 and our normal low is 40, so we were a little bit cooler than normal, but we're going to be well above normal here over the next 5 to 7 days. And then we see another shot of pretty cool air coming in for the second week, and or for week 2 rather. So next week's going to be quite a bit cooler compared to normal. And so far for the month of April, last day, 7.8 degrees below normal so far for the month of April. We'll end up probably around 7 or maybe high 6.8, 6.9. We're definitely going to end up April with a very, very colder than normal month. If we look at conditions out there this morning, quite a wide range of temperatures. Low 40s across portions of southeast lower Michigan and eastern areas. Temperatures dropped down into the mid 20s as you got into Newaygo. And again, 28 at Clarksville this morning, so pretty chilly out there, but we'll see some much warmer conditions develop here this afternoon as we see temperatures up, getting closer to 70 degrees. You can see on the radar all these showers and thunderstorms off to the Midwest. Dry air in place, these will dissipate. They will not get anywhere close to the MAC, LAC areas. They'll stay well off to our west here over the next couple of days as we see plenty of sunshine today and Tuesday. But this is a sign of what we may be seeing as we get into Wednesday into early Friday. I think we'll see plenty of thunderstorms, and you can see some of the lightning detection shots out here in the Midwest picking up a lot of those thunderstorm and lightning strikes. If we look at the satellite view, you can see the MCS complex with the colder cloud tops develop in portions of the Dakotas into Iowa here this morning. And again, we'll see those continue to move off to the northwest or northeast to our northwest. That'll certainly stay far away from us. Again, lots of sunshine today and Tuesday, again, before those showers move in towards midweek, but it's going to be warm all week. If we look at, skip ahead, this is not today, this will actually be the Wednesday map. We'll see low pressure system that's now going to develop and move off to our northwest, and eventually it's going to spread this rain and thunderstorm activity in there. Our best chance of severe weather, again, it'll be Thursday, and that's also when I think the heaviest rains could fall. If we look at the amount of rainfall on the WPC, you can see picking up a lot of areas that could see over 2 inches of rain. Again, my forecast is for 1.2 to 1.6. I'll issue the final forecast tomorrow morning, which I very well could see raising, but I want to take a look at some of the other models and see what we got. But again, it looks like a pretty wet second half of the week coming up, and certainly that'll help things grow with all these warm temperatures as well. If we look at the MJO and why we think week 2 is going to be cold, this time of year, we're going to be going into from out of phase 8 into phase 1, which for this time of year, early May, is going to be a very cold one for the Great Lakes, phase 1 and 2. So we do expect that that we will see our temperatures fall off quite a bit here next week as we see troughing in the east and a warm ridge out west. So again, enjoy this week because it will turn cooler than normal as we get into next week. As far as the forecast goes, you can see today, we can see temperatures up around 72 degrees. Some areas may hold in the upper 60s. Then I think the next 2 days, again, depending on the amount of sun, we can see temperatures reach, maybe even exceed 80 degrees. So look at these warm overnight lows with the rain and thunderstorms. And again, 1.2 to 1.6. And again, I'll put out my final forecast tomorrow morning, and then we'll track that all week long. Again, springtime thunderstorms will certainly feel more like spring and summer than what we've been used to here in the last few weeks. As far as weather watch this morning, fire weather warnings off into portions of southern Wisconsin, northern Illinois. Wind advisories, and these kind of winds will be coming our way as we get into tomorrow. We can see winds gusting to 40 miles per hour. So again, it'll be quite windy with the southwest wind bringing all that warmth into the state tomorrow. And again, frost advisories and freeze warnings off to our south. Don't see those yet because the growing season really hasn't begun, but it will be once we get through this week. We will then have to watch for the potential for frost or freeze if we get any cold spells. Thanks for stopping by, and have yourself a great day, a great work week, and 73s to all.